Hello, my name is Jackson Henderson, and my partner is Ricardo Perez, who helped write this PowerPoint. And it's about the current trends in technology, and our topic is video assisted learning. So, the agenda was the introduction. How is video assisted learning used in mainly classrooms? The pros and cons of video assisted learning, and how video assisted learning can be used in the future, and then the conclusion and opinions. For the introduction, we have video assisted learning is the integration of videos into education. The goal of video aids is to supplement ideas taught in the classroom. If used properly, they can be used to improve a student's comprehension as well as their cognitive ability. And we have how to use video assisted learning in classrooms. So some of the uses in classrooms. The videos are an amazing supplement to learning. It helps mainly younger kids also be able to focus harder, like they'll be able to pay attention more to the video. The main advantage of using video aids is that it can provide students with another viewpoint and explanation on the same topics. And some of the best times to implement videos into teaching are before a learning objective is introduced, after a learning objective is been completed, at home for reinforcement of ideas, and with hybrid distance learning where additional material can be easily implemented through video use. So the good and the bad of video assisted learning. So let's look at the advantages first. Videos can create more engagement for difficult and hard to understand topics. Additional visual aid equals more context for understanding ideas. It can reduce the amount of time needed to review material, effective as a reinforcement tool, perfect for virtual classroom settings, and also it's fun, a little more engaging for everyone. So some of the disadvantages of video-assisted learning would be the preparation may be lengthy, more equipment needed if not in a virtual classroom setting. A poorly picked video may confuse the audience if it does not align sufficiently with base material, and poor implementation may result in a lack of engagement from the audience. So what is the future of video-assisted learning? Videos as a media is still being changed and improved upon. A possible method of improving on this technology could be the developed new ways of interaction between the audience and the media being presented. This can include games, questions throughout the presentation, and editing techniques that will personalize the video and increase its affinity with the audience. And this will help either younger or older kids, depending on what you're teaching, be able to understand better. And some of the conclusion and opinions. The usage of videos in the educational setting has already become a standard practice. Some forms of distance learning and/or higher education have even begun to use them as a standalone method of teaching. While this may be effective for some subjects, that is not always the case. Educators looking to implement video aids should take into consideration the topic being discussed, the audience understanding of it, and most importantly, how the information is being presented in the proposed video. This is our reference page. And thank you for joining me.